How is the frustration coming out, Bhaskar? Tell.
This is what I was born to do.
आपको लेके चल रही हूँ वायनाड में. Today is our second day at Wayanad. So our cab is here and we are ready to explore the second day at Wayanad. And we are here at Karapuza Dam.
Thank you.
It is made up of mud. Take you from this point to that far off point if you can see it. Just like diamonds. This is Karapuza Dam. Expose your voice if you can hear this. Second visiting spot of Wayanad. This is the Phantom Rock. Grasses are too long.
There may be snails.
Yeah, people say it resembles a human skull. This is the view of Wayanad from up at the Phantom Hill. We are at the next tourist spot, that is Etkal Caves. We have got off the car and here we will have to walk. Let's see how long the stretch of walking is. These are the days on which this Etkal Caves remain closed. Some of the local shops placed outside the Etkal Caves. Really very difficult. So after a very difficult terrain that people here were saying is only of 1 kilometer, but I found it even longer than that. We have entered the Etkal Caves. The stretch you can see is very narrow. Okay, and people are going in and coming out of the same stretch. So it is giving me an idea that they might be having the single entry and exit point. So after climbing up almost 100 of steps, you will find some more steps, and then you will climb up those some more steps, and then you will find few more steps. So this is almost a never-ending seems like at least a never-ending stretch of stairs that we are climbing up, walking from past 20 minutes almost. How is the frustration coming out, Bhaskar?
This is what I was born to do.
We are almost halfway up. The view might be epic from here, but the climbing up part, walking part is very, very uncomfortable and very difficult. I'm actually unable to figure out when exactly are we going to reach the top.
Are we even going to reach the top?
That's the question. Let's figure out. So finally we have reached the actual entrance of the caves. You can see a single exit and entry point is there with too much of packing of people. The cave that we found out after climbing up almost half an hour. This is the small area. Had I known that this is what I am going to see after climbing up almost half an hour, I would have never come here. This is a thumbs down. You can skip this part or you can skip this spot as well. क्या है ये? This is rock art.
राइटिंग्स, जो स्क्रिप्चर्स जो भी लिखे हुए हैं.
किसने लिखा है? What is the history of this cave?
कुछ नहीं, दिस इज सम नियोलिथिक एरिया, ये राइटिंग्स which have been
flower garden at Wayanad. We just came to give it a look. The entrance seems very creative. Pots of the plants have been kept in the shape of the heart. Hey, this is very creative. A bullock cart.
loaded with flower pots.
Chiku tree. Although this we have seen in Coorg as well, you can see this tree here in Flower Garden of Wayanad also. Right in the middle of the flower garden, a pond is present which enhances the view of this garden. This is the most attractive thing about this flower garden, this swing under the mango tree. It reminds me of my childhood when I used to visit my grandparents. Memories. Is actually a thumbs up from our side. You should definitely visit this place. It's a beautiful, serene place which gives your soul a soothing feeling. We are having awesome time at Wayanad. I will definitely suggest rest of the people to visit this place. This is very good place.
Thumbs up. This is our lunch, variety of things in a single meal.
We are currently at a restaurant, Nest and Mist, here in Wayanad.